Smoke until a stupid state, stay until it's late. Sweet like chocolate cake, talk just like the shit I roll off paper plates. Search for sweet escape because inside I feel I'm dying slow. I tell you all that.
What's up, dogs? You know how it goes. It's the day before Thanksgiving. I'm out here with my homie over here. I'm gonna hit the lot. Check this out though, this is insane. There's nothing here. There's nothing here. There's nothing here. This is insanity. I'm gonna freaking write a letter and put it in a box and send it to somebody and let them know that we're frustrated about it. So this is gonna be a short episode. Dang, dude, I like the custom body work that it's got going on down here. Sweet. That looks good. So on one of our episodes, we're gonna buy a beater and take it to the Derby. They do a Derby in our town. We're gonna go get a couple of them and go freaking rack them up. Go have some fun. This is pretty cool. A 6-speed TL. It's got a J series, which is cool. Got a little intake. Dash is wasted. 200,000 miles. Look at that. Paint's got cancer. It's been in Florida its whole life, obviously. And I really like the seats in here. I don't know what. They look nice. Yeah, nice bolsters. It looks comfortable. 6-speed. I've never seen a 6-speed one of these things at auctions. Never. That's freaking sweet. I'm not gonna start it. Maybe I will. I don't know. Crashing this car is just wasted. It sat in somebody's driveway. Had to have for like ever. Also, just the clutch feels like gum. It's like a freaking juicy fruit. Yeah. Got a little dose of America right here. Probably V6 automatic, but and the dash is like cancerous. I don't know what is going on. The clean title, 2-owner. Perfect first car. Not bad, right? Range Rover Sport. Something weird going on with the wheels. It looks like it's got like, I don't know.
Camber.
It's positive camber. Very strange. I'll probably just start this thing for fun anyways, like give it a go. Just gonna give it a go. Wham! Very nice. What do we have here? Dude, this is supposed to be a family-friendly TV show, dude. These things are sweet though, actually. This is actually really nice. Look at the red stitching. Somebody paid a fortune for this thing at one point. What does this do?
It's for the armrest.
Oh, you can lock it in places? Is that a lock?
I think it's a height adjustment. Yeah, so it always comes down to that height.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah. That's
What? Oh, okay, that's very strange. Kind of useless. I don't know why the hell you'd want that. So whatever. In the range, dude. In the freaking range, you know? About to take it out. We put the kids in the back seat, you know? Because they can't be trusted up front. So it's like, you know how that goes. Honestly, I've never driven a range before. This thing's sweet. I get it. I totally get it. I feel like a boss in this thing. We're pulling up, dude. We pulling up. Right?
Yeah.
I see the strangest things in these auctions. Like, it is true that people do try to pass dishonest cars like through these places, you know? Like these windows on this HHR, they go down, they don't go up. There's always just weird little quirks and stuff. Like we check every function because like, Jesus, dude, you'd be surprised. Like I've heard stories of people unplugging oil pressure lights and like weird stuff on cars, and people get a car home and the motor explodes in their driveway and stuff. It's like, Jesus, what do? You know, I just try to let them run for 20 minutes while I'm here. Like just start it and drive it and let it run for a while and keep it going and then figure it out after that. But it's like you're rolling the dice. No matter what, you're rolling the dice on anything. Monsters sell really well. Like Needle D over here says it's friggin' a college car. Which it is a college car. I mean, I can see some dweeb driving this thing. Out of this Veloster because this thing sucks. We're going for the GT Mustang or the 370Z. Which one should we do? 370Z.
The Veloster smells like grandma's house.
Or not the good grandma's house when she's making peach pie and stuff, right? Terrible grandma's house. But check this out. Oh, dude, it's a root beer one, bro.
Oh, man.
That's nice, dude. It's like brown. You'd think brown would suck as a car color, but it doesn't. It's actually really, really nice. Is it dead? Oh. Not bad. Just do not smash the cars. That's the only rules out here. Don't smash the car and don't be a jerk. Piss everybody else off. They're really nice cars. VQ is a great platform. Motors are good. Transmissions can hold power. Careful around the corner here. There you go. You're good. Punch her. Punch it. Punch it! Look at, he's nervous. I'd be nervous too, because it's like $27,000 car. You wreck it, you know you're fucked.
Yeah, that's something I'm thinking, like, breaking speed.
Dude, I went 60 in here in a freaking V12 Mercedes one time, and everybody was like losing it.
Really?
How does it feel?
Not bad.
Right?
It's actually, the steering's really tight.
How many miles are on it? 92,000? Dude, look, I love the nav on new cars, man. It's like fantastic. Give her the old turn. Give her the drift test, dude. Clutch kick, real quick. No, it's like, no.
I'd rip it in this thing.
Yeah, shred.
Rear get kicked.
Oh, we would totally be kicked the friggin' hell out of here immediately. No way. The color of the Z is so nice. It's like root beer. Really, really, really nice car overall. If I had the money, I'd be taking that home with Poppy, for sure. They're awesome cars. They are. And they don't sell for a whole lot of money. You'd be surprised how cheap they actually go. Sometimes, depends. That was 49,000 original miles, and like the wood trim in there is kind of beat, which is kind of nuts. But other than that, the interior is pretty nice. Nice car. Nice car overall. Putting that out there. Getting in this Porsche for show, dude. The windows. Oh yeah, getting into the Porsche. I don't know why pygmies drive these things before people, but it's like. Either way. Okay, this thing's pretty sweet, dude. Are you serious? Oh, dude, we're gonna smash these windows, dude. That's messed up, dude. They don't go in the track properly.
Hello, Winston.
Hello. We're going golfing today. Taking the Porsche.
We got the glasses.
Yeah, we're gonna drive the Porsche to the barbecue.
Mr. Cunningham will be there.
Get that on film. Check engine light came on while driving. You know how that goes. Dashboard and interior color is just phenomenal though. It looks great.
Creamy beige.
Yeah.
Creamy beige.
It's like it's like caramel. Everybody loves a caramel woman, you know? Got your good old V6 Johnny going on. Yeah. That's quite the treat. You never freaking see these at auctions ever, like in a million years. Who would ever see a Subaru SVX at an auction? Crazy. These things are so ahead of their times, it's insane. I don't even know the list of features, but it's like I can't remember half the things that this thing had were like so ahead of its time back when it was made.
Yeah, the window design's dope too.
The window design is dope. It's just like overall, just the way it looks is fantastic. It's a beautiful car.
Reminds me of Ford Probage too.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, lots of things remind you of probes. Literally, it's the future. The future is now.
You're shopping for a spaceship.
The future's now. Look at that. I gotta say that this. Oh man, we're gonna get freaking copyrighted with the music on it here. I gotta tell you that I'm like pleasantly surprised by the SVX. It's sweet.
like
Everything's really sweet. The suede interior. This thing was. Whoever bought this thing new was super stoked on it. Sure, whoever bought this thing new brought it home and was like, "Yep, good purchase. Well done." Look at the door handle. Everything's ergonomic, dude. Look at this. It all looks really nice. This is round. Look at it. It's got little sensors and stuff and readouts for the car.
Yeah, the problem with the charging system though.
Yeah, right. They're tracking charging voltage. It's kind of weird. Either way, though, sweet though. Sweet car. I wouldn't buy this thing because nobody would ever purchase it from you, or it would sit and sit and sit. You'd have to make it cool for it to get rid of it. But sweet though. Seems like it was well cared for, but honestly, I feel like this thing just held up really well. It was a flagship car. They put a lot of time and effort into it. Sweet. I got a soft spot for an old Land Cruiser. This thing is sweet. They're expensive to keep going. For sure, the maintenance on them is freaking insane, but like,
It's actually a
not bad there, Daniel.
Lexus with a grill.
It's a Lexus with a grill?
Oh, yeah, it is a Lexus.
It is a Lexus. It's an LX, but it's a Land Cruiser. Not bad though, man.
Somebody saw a Toyota grill on it.
Don't these all have air suspension as well?
Yeah, they're kind of a pain in the dick.
Yeah, to work on.
Yeah.
It's like, dude, but they're sweet though. Not a bad vehicle at all, man. And these things are super capable, and they last forever. As long as you take care of them, they are super capable at like off-road vehicles. Look, it's got third row seating and everything. It's a nice one. Does the AC don't work, does it?
Let's see if it goes up.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that air suspension totally works. Oh yeah. That's sick. Yeah, that worked really well actually. Wow. That was cool. Neato. Dang.
It's actually a pretty good one. That's not leaking. Those things usually leak, the boosters.
Really?
Yeah. Depends sometimes.
Sounds like it runs really good actually.
It does. I don't really see anything wrong with it.
Is it leaking?
No.
Check engine light. Smell the oil. Oh. The tires aren't fantastic. Still though. Dude, it smells like, I can't even tell you what that smells like in there, dude.
Oh, hell no.
I can't even tell you what that smells like. It's like biohazard, man. Something's wrong with people. It's like, why would you buy a brand new car and then trash it like that? Look at it. Look at it. Jesus. Probably should just go on a freaking diet, because look at whoever owned this thing. It's like pecan swirls, soda, freaking fast food, Subway receipts. And you know that wasn't a veggie sub.
Pack of Newports, John.
Got a whole thing of gain in there because they try to make it smell a little better, but it's not working, dude. It ain't working, man. Holy crap. And then you just trade it in. You don't even clean it out before you trade it in. You're going to go, oh, maybe I'll get more for it if I clean it. Like, oh, f it. I'm just going to go get a new car and trash that one too. Something's wrong with people, man. Somebody's going to buy this, clean it up, and sell it to somebody else. Dented and scratched and ruined and never bathed, and guaranteed the motor's full of sludge too, because they skipped oil changes for sure. Have fun. Scary, man. This thing's making weird noises. It doesn't feel good. Something's weird going on with that one. That is so sketchy. Oh my God. Hi on there, boy.
I bet you I do. My name's Chet. I'm about to go to Rally's and get me some ice to eat.
I think I covered this in another episode. I might have. I just don't understand how people have perfectly good cars and then just sack them out. It makes no sense to me. Did you just leave the marina, huh?
Hell yeah, my name's Chet, not Daniel.
Nice, rev her up, brother. There you go. This is right up your alley, Chet. There you go.
Oh man.
There you go.
Go get some chai lattes in this.
She's perfect.
Oh, what does it say?
Little cappuccino Abarth.
Focus.
Focus Beauty.
Focus Beauty. Hell yeah.
Oh, nice. This is a company car? What a boss company car, brother. Are you freaking kidding me? I can't wait to start and rev this thing right now.
I can't wait to go get my nails done in this thing.
The thing about these Abarths is like they're actually kind of cool.
Yeah, they're underrated.
They're totally underrated. The suspension's stiff in them. They're like, they sound cool. Like we're gonna get... Ah, yeah. 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 There we go. The air off, ready?
Off the Plato's closet.
Off the Plato's closet. Okay. This thing's make cool whirly sounds.
It's all witchcraft.
Alright. I love me some boost.
Yeah, this thing sounds nice too.
Yeah, ripping down this back road over here.
I'd be careful on that one.
Why, dude? It's cool. Actually, I like the Tiguan's. I think they look cool.
Tiguan.
Tiguan.
It just sounds like a bad Hispanic.
You'd be tigging too, dude. All right, not bad though. I just think they look cool. I just think they have a really cool look to them. They're like cars, but they're not. You know, they're little city SUVs. Kind of tight. I swear to Mercedes kills it with the aluminum trim on everything. This is a GL, I want to say. GL, yeah, GL 450. But they absolutely smash it with all the aluminum trim. Look at all that, dude. Tell me that's not classy. We're headed to the country club right now. Look at that, man. It's fantastic. You know, you get in it, it makes you happy.
You notice these like rich
Beautiful
people
car.
smell like crayons? Oh, sorry.
I don't think they smell like crayons. What kind of person? You're weird, man. This is a really nice car. 300S. I just think it's a beautiful car. I think they look fantastic. They're fast. They're enjoyable. Like, great one. Definitely out of my price range, but not forever. We're working it out. 150 from the outside looks like close to stock, but it's totally not. Look at this. Look at the diff under there.
Got Bilstein.
It's all been painted and done. Everything's done. Bilstein's. Oh, nice. Power boards.
Nice.
Oh, you got your cross-stitch floor mats. Super cool, man.
Control arms and stuff.
Does it have control arms up front? See, this thing just keeps on delivering. Look at that. Look at the front suspension.
It's an eco boost. Everything's
Wham! Dang, it's got whole AFE intake and everything. I bet you this thing does rip, dude. We're gonna drive it right now. What is that? It's like a catch can. Look at that oil catch can. You saw that? Is that what that is? Nice. Wow.
made for 300 horsepower, so.
Dude.
Yeah, this thing is probably
Sweet. Happened here, right? It's way more than a steam clean's gonna fix.
a little peepee.
Little pee-pee. little.